There are how many types of hair texture? There are 4 main types of hair texture. Type 1, straight, Type 2, wavy, Type 3, curly and Type 4, tightly curled. The hair type and texture can be further broken down into A, B and C based on the hair's curl pattern, density, porosity, width and length. Baryal Glamour, a luxury skincare brand, beauty beyond the boundaries. Hi everyone, Baryal presents a luxury hair and skincare brand, Baryal Glamour. In our day-to-day life it is very hard to take care of our skin, hair and face too, in such a busy schedule and high altitude of pollution and messed up life routine. We all need something easy, something